Manoj Sinha has reviewed the situation following heavy rains, flash floods and landslides across the Union Territory. Expressing grief over the loss of 2 lives in Doda, Manoj Sinha has extended condolences to the bereaved families. Emergency response teams, including the NDRF, SDRF, Jammu and Kashmir Police and the Army, remain deployed on high alert in vulnerable areas. Several key roads in Poonch, Rajouri, Riyasi and Udhampur have been reopened, while efforts to restore water supply and assess damage to homes and public infrastructure are continuing. Ajay, give us the details over here. Of course, a statement being issued by Manoj Sinha. He's, of course, given us the updates, the kind of teams that are there on the ground to make sure that people are safe. There are certain key routes that have also been restored. As we understand, what more information do we have?
Yes, after this number of incidents which took place and, resulted into casualty of civilians over there in the Poonch and the Rajouri and Doda, as the Manoj Sinha also chaired a meeting and also spoke to the senior officials while he shared this information on the social media. He says that I spoke to the senior officers over there in Rajouri and the Poonch, and he said that I told the senior officials and emergency teams of including NDRF, SDRF, Jammu and Kashmir Police and the Army are deployed and on the high alert during this vulnerable time, because there are apprehension for more rains in next 2 days, and areas which is affected, especially the Rajouri, Poonch and the Doda, there are apprehension that more rain will create more trouble for the people and civilians over there. That's why they have been conveyed to be on the alert mode, so that any situation arises, because it's a natural calamity and no one can predict what is going to happen there. So that's why it's only the teams on ground, the boots on ground, to be on the alert, and that is what Manoj Sinha, Jammu Kashmir, have conveyed to the ground forces.
All right, Ajay, thank you for sharing all those details with us. On that note, we step into a very short break. Thanks for watching.
कमाल है साहब, आपका परिवार आपके भरोसे बैठा है और आपकी